Hey Linkvertise users, stuck on a loading screen that won't budge? Don't let Linkvertise glitches slow you down. Let us fix this. Guys, firstly, you can try and clear the browser cache. So if you want to do that, you go to your browser settings and you just type in cache. So as you can see, we have delete browsing data, and you just basically choose which data you want to delete. So I would just recommend deleting the cached images and files. Cookies, well, it's up to you. If you delete the cookies, you will need to log in into the website once again with your account. So I don't know. I personally would not do that. History, I would like to keep it as well, but you can delete it if you want. But basically, this is how you clean it. Now let us talk a bit more. So after that, you can disable also the ad blockers and extensions. So for example, ad blockers or VPNs can block Linkvertise ads, freezing the page. You can pause your ad blocker like uBlock, for example, or disable it for linkvertise.com. After that, you can also check the server status. So if the link won't still load, it might be the server outage. If servers are overloaded, wait for 30 minutes and try again. And that's it. You can clear the cache, disable lockers, or check servers to fix this loading screen. Got a trick that worked? Share it below if you wish. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing. See you soon.